Hello everybody, I'm back again. Going to make another video for you. I know I'm a little out of frame, but my setup, you can't see the whole canvas. I'm working on a 10 by 20 today, and you can't see the whole thing, but I think we'll make do. This is my painting from my last video. I like it pretty much. The color showed up really well. I like the little lines that I put in it, so it turned out pretty good. I usually don't put any finish on my paintings before I put them up for sale, because I kind of like the person that buys them to let me know if they just want a spray varnish or whether they would like them resined. So I want you to keep that in mind when you're looking on my Etsy shop or on my Facebook page, that the colors will be a lot brighter when you purchase them after I either spray them or varnish or resin them for you. So keep that in mind when you're looking at them. Okay, let's get on with this. Today I think I'm going to try a ninja swipe. I haven't done one on this size of canvas before. They've always been a square one, and I did do an oval one time, and it's on my Etsy shop, so you might want to take a look at that. I want to show you my colors today. Let's get them all out here so we can see them, and I'll tell you what they are. Got quite a few. I wanted to be colorful today. My background color is going to be unbleached titanium from Artist Loft. And then we have Art Minds Pewter. Liquitex Basic Naples Yellow Hue. Liquitex Basics Burnt Umber. Deco Art Sap Green. Deco Art Yellow Green Light. And we have Winsor Newton Permanent Rose. This is a beautiful color. I love it. Love that color. Okay, so let's get the background color down. I need to get a paper towel down to put my sticks on. Stirred up a little bit. Just made my colors a little while ago, so need to get them stirred really good. Go. A little bit left over in case I need it. This is a omelet spatula. Several people have it in their Amazon store, so if you're interested in it. Other people use it, other artists use it for spreading. So they have it in their store. I don't have an Amazon store yet. Hopefully one of these days I will get to it. I like this. It took me a while to get used to this. It really did. I have a heavy hand, and it takes a very light hand to spread your paint. So took me a long time before I could really do this well. And I still have a problem. I have some extra left over, so I'll get the sides afterwards, so we don't have to sit here and through the whole video and watch me try and get our sides going here. And I will show you the whole painting when we're done. since you can't see the top of it. There we go. Got some air bubbles. We're gonna pop a torch. I have quite a few since I just made the paint. I can get them all in one thingy here. I don't want divots in my paint when it dries, that's for sure. There we go. All right, now I gotta think of what colors. I see some holes in my paint here. What color I want to start with? I think I'll start with the dark burnt umber. My point is, or my idea is, I'm going to put a puddle down here at the bottom and then swipe it up. So I'm going to try and start with the darker colors and go to the lighter colors. So we'll see how that goes. This is the sap green. This is pewter. Let's see. This is the green yellow. And we have the Naples yellow light hue. This might be a lot of paint to mess with. It's gonna go flying everywhere. And then this is the permanent rose. And this is the fun part. I do have my plastic up on stuff, so maybe it won't go everywhere. So, all right, here we go. Well, come on, Lisa, let's flip it better than this. There we go, that's better. That's much better. So much better. And I have my list wedge to do small ones with, like this, to bring it out. I like this a lot. I might have to fix some of my holes off camera so I don't bore you guys to death by doing it. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it, and I gotta leave it alone or I'm gonna end up messing it up terribly. Let's give it another torch to make sure that everything is, no air bubbles are gonna mess it up. Let's see. Got some little splatters that I don't want in here, so you can just take your finger and dab them and they'll be gone. There we go. Just like that. And we have it. Maybe I can do that right here. Yep, see? Can cover up the bare spots with your finger also. All you have to do is just do this a little bit. And you just cover up what you don't want. And there you go. I think all my bare spots are covered now. I do want to bring that back out though. I love that. Little spot right there. There we go. All right. What do you guys think? Let me turn it this way so you can get a whole look of it. What do you think? Isn't that beautiful? Those colors go so good together. Like I said, I've got some left over, so I'll make sure I get all my corners or all my edges afterwards. Oh, so pretty. Get my hands wiped off here. I want to thank you for being with me today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share my video with anybody you think would enjoy it. Your family, your friends. All my information is in the drop box below every video. If you'd like to purchase any of my work, I do commission work. So if you would like anything specifically done with any certain colors, I can sure do it for you. Just get in touch with me and we'll talk about it. That's about it. Thanks to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. I appreciate all the new subscribers that I have gotten lately. It really makes me feel good that people are liking what I do. I'm going to be here for a long time. I'm not going anywhere, folks. If you give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps with my placement in YouTube. If you like my videos, leave me a comment. I sure would like to hear from you. That's about it for today. And as always, please have a great day.